What if I told you that you can make money while watching YouTube videos? Watch YouTube videos and earn $2 every 30 seconds for absolutely free. Many people from all around the world make money online using this method by simply watching YouTube videos. You can potentially make thousands of dollars with this brand new website that I'm about to show you. All you need to do is just sign up to this completely free website, head over to YouTube and watch the videos. And that's it! Easy, instant money online. It can't get any better than that. Step 1. You need to have a YouTube account. Step 2. Let's go to picoworkers.com. picoworkers.com is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy-to-do affordable tasks. This is our money-making website. Pico Workers helps you make money online in a lot of ways. All you have to do is just hit the play button, watch the video, and collect your earnings. Go to picoworkers.com, click on Freelance, and Earn. That will then take you to this page where you can see how much money people are making using this website each day, and even each hour. You can see here the latest completed tasks, including the workers' nicknames and their total earnings. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, Philippines, and a whole lot more. They literally have people from all over the world, all from different countries. Now with this website, people are making hundreds if not thousands of dollars. You can view all of these proofs of payments right here on this website. These are the amounts that people have cashed out. Moving on, here in the Freelance and Earn section, I want you to click on Sign Up over here to create a free account and begin making some money. Next, select I'm a worker, and then agree to their terms of service and privacy policy before clicking on the Sign Up button. And after you're done with the whole sign-up process, you can now start making money online. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do just that. Once you've successfully created an account, you can now log in. This is what your brand new account will look like. You'll be seeing different jobs available here. Different jobs mean different amounts of earnings. On the right-hand side, you will see how much money you'll potentially be making. Now I want you to change the category right up here to video marketing and click on Apply Now. What that will do is it will show you these different jobs. We've got thousands of jobs here to choose from, jobs which we can complete and get paid for. These will all be paying us to watch videos. So how does it work? Just click on any job available here. Since this is a brand new account, you'll need to submit a bit of information about yourself, such as your date of birth, your city, a security question, and the answer to that question. After that, we can now take a look at how much you'll be paid simply by watching videos. What is expected from workers? This is what you have to do. First, you need to go to youtube.com. Next, search for these keywords. You'll need to type it manually, don't copy it. Third, find a video with this thumbnail. Remember not to use any filters, like newly uploads or the likes, because you won't get paid for that. Next is to watch the video for at least 9 minutes. Don't skip or else you won't get paid. The trick is to just mute the video and leave it playing in the background so you don't actually have to watch the entire thing. You also have to like the video. See? It's that simple. However, it is possible that there aren't going to be that many jobs which pay you to watch YouTube videos. If you want to achieve maximum results and earn more money on Pico Workers, you can also complete other jobs or tasks. They're also really easy and even complete beginners can do it. This is a micro jobs site where people will pay you to engage with their contents, such as liking their Facebook posts. And it literally only takes a single tap of a button. That's all you have to do, and you will get paid for it. You can also get paid by clicking a link and heading over to a site. It doesn't get easier than that. Sure, the pay isn't that high, but considering the amount of work involved, I believe it's well worth it. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $15 per page by just typing names, which is one of the best ways to make money online.